Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I welcome you to another session of Chapter 1, Parts of Our Body, the Heart and the Blood Circulation. In the previous class, we discussed what the heart is up to, how does it keep busy, and what does it look like. In this lesson, we are going to look at one of the processes of the heart, which is blood circulation. Now, before we begin, let's look at the three main topics that we will be discussing today. We will first have a short review. What do we know so far? Then, we will try to understand what arteries and veins are and why we need them. Then, we will look at how the heart and lungs work together and help each other. In the previous class, we learned a lot about the heart. And to summarize it, we have three main points that you need to remember. A heart is a muscular organ that is the size of your fist. It has 4 chambers. It pumps blood through the entire body. In the previous class, if you remember, we looked at what the circulatory system is. Your heart lies at the center of your circulatory system. This system consists of a network of blood vessels such as arteries, veins, and capillaries. In this lesson, we will look at what these blood vessels are and how they can be divided into two types, the arteries and the veins. You are aware that the heart pumps blood. But have you ever wondered how this blood circulation takes place inside your body? What mode of transport is this blood using? In simple terms, you could say that blood travels through tiny pipe-like structures known as the blood vessels. Again, depending upon the kind of blood that these blood vessels carry, they can be divided into two types. The blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body are called arteries, and the blood vessels that carry impure blood containing waste materials are called veins. Now you know what arteries and veins mean, right? There's something really cool about arteries. You can check how fast or slow your heart is beating or pumping blood by checking your pulse. Pretty cool, right? So, where is your pulse again? You can find your pulse by lightly pressing on the skin anywhere there's a large artery running just beneath your skin. Two good places to find it are on the side of your neck and the inside of your wrist, just below the thumb. And did you know a healthy human heart beats around 72 times in a minute? So, check your pulse. How many times is your heart beating per minute? So, did you check your pulse? Did you find it? Are you surprised that your heart does not exactly beat 72 times per minute, but rather maybe beats between 60 to 80 times in a minute. Don't be worried. An average heart could beat anywhere from 60 to 80 times in a minute, depending on various aspects. Now, coming to our last topic, how lungs and heart work together and help each other. You might be wondering, don't all parts of the body work together at the same time? Well, yes, they do. But in this lesson, we are specifically going to focus on the teamwork of the lungs and the heart. Let's find out. The heart and lungs work together to make sure that the body has oxygen-rich blood. But why does the body need oxygen-rich blood? Well, to function properly, our body needs oxygen, right? That's why the heart pumps the blood and the lungs put oxygen into it. And that's how they work together. In the previous class, we had asked you to find out what doctors who specialize in treating heart diseases are called. Doctors who specialize in treating heart diseases are called cardiologists. That brings us to the end of our topic. Thank you and have a good day.